Samsung is partnering up with some well-known directors to show the superiority of the camera in its current smartphone, the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G. Some of these directors are a British director who is famous for the film Pride and Prejudice, Wright, and a rising Chinese director, Sha Mo. Wright uses the Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G to shoot his new film, Princess and Peppernose, that features puppetry and live-action choreography of acting actors. Wright and his crew used a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens to record every movie scene on his latest film, since they wanted to try something they had never done before, including using an ultra-wide lens to shoot close-up scenes. This gives the film a very specific look and feel, which is somewhat haunted and hallucinatory. Wright admits that he is quite surprised with the camera and the video result. Wright's Princess and Peppernose and Sha Mo's Kiss of Paradise will be released at the Busan International Film Festival in South Korea, which will run until October 15. Veteran Indonesian director Angga Dwi Sasongko previously had also filmed his latest film using S21 Ultra. Angga took advantage of the Galaxy S21 Ultra camera and the features in it to record all scenes from the short film titled Confabulation, which was launched in early May. This film has been watched more than 3 million times on YouTube.